The story of chemistry. A journey through time. Today, I'll take you on an exciting journey through the history of chemistry. A story that begins thousands of years ago and unfolds as humanity discovers the wonders of the chemical world. Are you ready? Let's go. Ancient times and the beginnings of chemistry. Imagine traveling back 5,000 years to ancient Egypt. Here, people had discovered the art of using natural materials to craft tools and treasures. They combined sand and ashes to create glass, and with a substance called natron, they preserved mummies, allowing them to endure through millennia. Meanwhile, in India and China, scientists were conducting experiments that would transform their world. Chinese alchemists, for instance, discovered gunpowder, a blend of sulfur, charcoal, and saltpeter, forever changing warfare. In India, early chemists developed medicines and mastered the extraction of metals, laying the foundation for Ayurveda. In ancient Greece, philosophers like Aristotle speculated that everything in the universe was made of four basic elements: water, fire, earth, and air. Although we now know this idea was incorrect, it shaped humanity's understanding of the natural world for centuries. Alchemy, the quest for gold and eternal life. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, a time when alchemy dominated the world. Picture shadowy laboratories filled with bubbling flasks and glowing fires, as alchemists sought to turn base metals into gold or discover the elixir of life. One of the greatest alchemists was Habir ibn Hayyan, often called the father of chemistry. He invented techniques like distillation and crystallization, and he discovered powerful acids such as sulfuric acid. Another prominent figure, Al-Razi, made groundbreaking contributions to medicine, including the discovery of alcohol, ethanol, for disinfecting wounds. During this period, tools like distillation apparatuses and furnaces were developed, and early methods for purifying substances paved the way for modern chemical practices. The birth of modern chemistry. Our journey continues to the 17th century, when a man named Robert Boyle declared, "Let's make chemistry a real science." Boyle's work included his famous gas law, which described the relationship between pressure and volume in gases. But the true revolution came with Antoine Lavoisier, who is often regarded as the father of modern chemistry. He discovered the role of oxygen in combustion and formulated the law of conservation of mass, which states, "Nothing is created, and nothing is destroyed." His meticulous experiments forever changed the scientific approach to chemistry. The periodic table and the Industrial Revolution. In the 19th century, Dmitry Mendeleev, a Russian chemist, was determined to find order among the elements. After years of work, he unveiled the periodic table, a chart that organized elements based on their properties and atomic weights. This discovery was like a treasure map, revealing the patterns of the natural world. At the same time, young chemist William Perkin accidentally discovered synthetic purple dye while experimenting in his lab. This small discovery launched a massive industry, bringing chemistry into everyday life. The 20th century, an era of great discoveries. As we move into the 20th century, chemistry begins to touch the stars. Marie Curie made history with her discovery of radium and polonium, paving the way for nuclear science. Meanwhile, Watson and Crick unraveled the structure of DNA, showing how life itself is rooted in chemical principles. This century also saw the rise of new materials like plastics, life-saving antibiotics, and even rocket fuels that took humans to the moon. Chemistry in the modern era. Finally, we arrive at our time, an age of immense challenges and innovations. Chemists are working to create sustainable processes through green chemistry, aiming to reduce environmental damage. Nanotechnology is revolutionizing fields like medicine and energy, while advanced catalysts are helping to combat climate change. The end of the journey. Chemistry, an endless adventure. Our journey ends here, but the story of chemistry continues to evolve. With countless mysteries yet to be uncovered, who knows what the future holds? Now that you've heard the story, you too can be an ambassador of this fascinating science. Share the wonders of chemistry with the world. Join us on this fascinating journey through the wonders of chemistry. From ancient alchemy to groundbreaking modern discoveries, there's so much more to explore. Subscribe to the channel and be part of a community that celebrates the stories, secrets, and science of chemistry. Together, let's unlock the mysteries of the universe.